Hello, in front of me I've got Ausdom Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to mount it to front windshield. Of course, this tutorial will be a lot more theoretical, because I don't have any glass or front windshield in my studio, but the process will be the same as in the car. Firstly, make sure to perfectly clear and degrease your front windshield in the place you are going to attach the camera. Then mount this holder right here on the top of the camera. Then stick it to front windshield like this, and then twist this part so the suction will hold the camera. And as you can see, it's very stable and it's very hard to unplug it unless you open it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.